Hi, thanks for joining me. I am Suzanne Barrett Justis. I am an artist, primarily a wildlife artist, but I do a little bit of everything really. Do portraits. I do all types of animal art. I do landscapes. You know what? I paint. That's what I do. And if you're here, it's because you like to paint too, perhaps, and maybe you're interested and have been following me in some of my work on Instagram and Facebook. I have my website, so perhaps we've met there. Who knows? But thank you for joining me. And what I'm hoping that this YouTube channel will be for me is a way to reach all the folks who have been asking me for a while. Do you do demos? Do you do any type of online instruction? This is what I'm going to try to do. I hope to do a little bit of product review, maybe some time-lapse pieces, demoing. We'll see where it goes. As you can see, I started with a light sketch on the wood panel first and started laying in my dark values. I'm using a direct method of paint since this is basically an alla prima piece. The layering of colors comes a little bit into the piece. As you can see, I'm just kind of setting in the eyes and still getting the whole shape. I am tweaking, whether you can realize or not. I raised the forehead of the horse up a little bit from the original sketch. And I'm layering in the lighter colors around the muzzle. And just a little bit of highlights here and highlights there. And before you know it, this horse is coming into form here. This little mare's a cute little mare. And now you can see the finished piece, and hopefully my client will be very happy with it. Well, that wasn't so bad. I enjoyed doing the time lapse. That was kind of neat. Thanks for tuning in. Please follow me and tell your friends to follow me if they're artists and want to learn a little bit more about perhaps some of my techniques. When I get to do some demos, obviously they won't be time-lapse, they'll be real-time demos, so they'll probably be broken up into pieces. But those will be the demos where I'll discuss what I'm doing, what colors I'm using, how I'm mixing, which brushes I'm using, sizes of brushes, etc., etc. I'll treat it just like I do my actual workshops that I teach, and I'm excited about this. So again, thank you for tuning in. Follow me here on YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram at Sue the Artist, and I look forward to seeing more of you. Again, let me know what you think. Tell me what kind of perhaps things that you want to see on this YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.